Atok App Mining is a rewarding-based digital marketing platform that also offers a fun move to earn and watch to earn features, giving us a more way to collect rewards. That is how Atok works. But how you can able to earn completely in Atok is like this. First of all, one is to check in every 4 hours, 3 times a day. For you to earn well in Atok is for you to remember to do your daily check-in, not just once. It's 3 times in a day. Every 4 hours, you earn every 4 hours. If you check in till another 4 hours, that is how you're able to earn in a Atok app. Then the other one is to answer avatar questions. Answer avatars questions. Answer 3 questions with the app avatar to earn bonus token. That is another means of earning in this Atok app. Then the other one is to watch video. Either watch short videos. Yeah, short video you watch. Approximately 10 seconds each to earn additional token. These are the three methods which you'll be able to earn in Atok app. So here on the screen is the app. First of all, you download it from your Play Store. Then use my referral link and impute my referral link. Then come over to this place. It will open in this platform. I'm going to show you from starting to the end of this. You can see my Atok balance in this place. Then if you want to check this Atok balance in this place, is you come to this manage. In this manner, you can see that 236.75 is equivalent to 2.6 USDT. Then you have transfer there, we have received there, and we have scan in this place. Very soon, Atok/USDT is coming soon. Then you can see daily reward. And when you look approximately closely, you will see the time remaining for you to do another check. You understand? Then you see level. The down part of its level, power up 4%. Then the other one, kilometer, 0 kilometer, the power up 0%. This is another way you earn. This is the avatars. You answer questions. There are 3 questions. You click on answer to the question. Do you carry it on your smart device every day? I use it every day. I use smart device, which is your phone, every day. Then what is your main fitness goal? Weight loss, music gain, endurance, flexibility, general health. I just say weight loss. Then how likely are you to subscribe to a product or service for discounts? Maybe 1 to 2 times a day. You understand? And remember, one thing you have to notice that please choose carefully. If you provide a different answer to the same question a few days later, your avatar's level will decrease by 5 points. Then you click confirm. You have in a 3.882. Then you collect. Then the other way for you to in this angle, when you, let's go back to it now. When you watch video, which is in this angle, you come to watch video. But by the time you watch video, it will be posted in your what? In the app. My post, it will be posted in the app. And there is another thing you have to do now. If you check in this my post now, you see my post. In case you want to advertise, there is one of their good utility. You want to make your, let's say your TikTok, your Instagram, want to boost them with followers and the rest. You come to my post, you subscribe, you do everything. That is one thing they also do. These are the advert they've placed before. These are the advert they placed before. Just 10 seconds advert that I've watched to gain me to increase my points. This referral, this where you refer people. So please do well to copy my referral link. I'll be dropping it and use it to open your what? Your A2. Very soon you see the equivalent dollar. In this part you see the announcement. You understand? You see the announcement. You can come over to this place and read about A2 app. This last part is your name and everything. Display name, change, then referral. I'll be dropping my referral link. You can use biometric to open it instead of typing the password, notification part and everything. You log out or you delete the app in case you are fed up with it. So this comprises of A2, and A2/USDD is coming very soon, and it is early. It is better you join on time than when you did not join.